Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a questions. What they are given here, x equal to 1/2 square root of 2 plus 1/8 minus square root of 2 divided by 8. Then find the values of x squared plus square root of x to the power 4 plus x and then plus 1. Okay, so for these questions, I have already written all the details for the solution in the page here. So then I can explain to you clearly and very detailed so that you can understand how can we solve this question. So please keep watching with me. Alright, now what they are given here, which is x equal to 1/2 square root of 2 plus 1/8 and then minus square root of 2 divided by 8. So then we move minus of square root of 2 divided by 8 to the left hand side. So then we got x plus. So when it moves to the left hand side, the sign it changed to positive, right? So then we will square root both sides. So we get x plus square root of 2 divided by 8 all raised to square, and then the right hand side also raised to square. Okay, so then here we will expand these factors. We will use the formula a plus b all raised to square, and then that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So then we get this here, right? And then here's square. When it come to 1/2, then that will be 1/4, and then square with the square root, then it got left, which is square root of 2 plus 1/8 here. Alright, so then now next we have here x squared plus, so when we simplify 2 with 8, then we got square root of 2 divided by 4, and then x still the same, and then plus. So here square root of 2 square, which is equal to 2, and then 8 square equal to 64. So then equal. So I will expand this into the factor here. That will be 1 multiplied by square root of 2. That will be square root of 2 over 4, and then plus 1 times 1 equal 1. 4 times 8. Yeah. Alright. And then here we have x squared plus, and then this still the same, and then we simplify 2 for the numerators and 2 with the denominator, so that when we simplify the factors, then we got 1 divided by 32 equal square root of 2 divided by 4, and then plus 1/4 times x, that will be 32. Okay, so then x squared. So now I have moved this part to the right hand side of the equation. So that means we have this square root of 2 over 4, and then plus 1 divided by 32. When we move this part to the right hand side, that will be change plus to minus. Okay, plus to minus. So then as we can see, we have plus 1 divided by 32 and minus 1 divided by 32. So that will be cancelled out. Alright, so then we have x squared still the same equal, and we only have this and this. Okay, so that will be equivalent to x squared equal, so I just factors square root of 2 divided by 4, so that will be 1 minus x. Okay, alright, then here we have to square root both sides because we want x to the power 4, right? So then when we square root both sides, for this we square root both sides, then we got x square and then raised to square. And then here when we got square root as well, it's come like this, and then it's equivalent to x2 times 2 4, and then when we simplify this with the square root, then we got 1 minus x raised to square divided by 8. Okay, alright, now then we have x squared and then x to the power 4. So our question is that we need to calculate this expression. So we have x squared plus square root of x to the power 4 plus x and then plus 1. So we already have x squared and then x to the power 4. We will take x squared and x to the power 4, substitute into this equation. So then we got x squared here, which is equal to this, and then plus, so x to the power 4 here, we will substitute this into x to the power 4, then we got like this. Alright, then now I expand this factor, so then we got square root of 2 minus square root of 2x divided by 4, then plus, so I will expand this by using the formula a minus b square. So that will be 1 minus 2x plus x squared, and then I will put the same denominator so that we have to multiply this with 8. That will be 8x and then plus 8, all divided by 8. Okay, so here we have square root of 2 minus square root of 2x divided by 4, and then here we have 1 plus 8 equal 9, and then 8x minus 2x equal plus 6x. Okay, and then we keep x squared is still the same, so then divide by 8 is still the same. So from here you can see that x squared plus, so 6x can be written as 2 times with 3, right? And then plus 3 square. That means 9 can be written as 3 square. So we can see that x square plus 2, 3x, and then plus 3 square. So that will be equal to x plus 3 all raised to square. Okay, so here is still the same. So 8 can be written as 2 square, which is equal to 4. 4 times 2 equal to 8. Okay, so we written this in the form of square because we want to simplify with the square root. So now we can simplify with the square root. We got x plus 3, and then here, so 2 can get out of the square root, and then this number 2 is still in the square root. So now from here we have to find the same denominator. So now I decided to multiply the denominator with square root of 2, and then the numerator here also multiply with the square root of 2. So square root of 2 times 2 square root of 2, that will be equal to 4, right? So then here is equal to 4, and I have already expand this factor, so that will be equal to like this, equal to this. Okay, so now we put the same denominator, square root of 2 minus square root of 2x, and then plus square root of 2x, and then plus square root of 2, all divided by 4. So now we can see that we have to cancel out for these two terms. Okay, so then here we have square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. So that will be equal to 4 square root of 2. So now we can simplify 4 of the numerator can simplify with 4 of the denominator. Then that will be equal to square root of 2 here. Therefore, x squared plus square root of x to the power 4 plus x plus 1 equal to square root of 2 is the final answer. I hope you understand it, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.